Dublin, the capital city of Ireland. In this video, I will show you Dublin, Ireland's capital city. This video is surely going to help you spend your visit to Dublin, Ireland by checking out these 10 famous landmarks. Let's start the video. Do you have any plans to go to Dublin soon? Would not it be fun to learn about some of the city's best attractions? Yes? Then don't miss a single detail by watching this video to the finish. You will never want to leave Dublin after you have had a taste of all it has to offer. You can find everything from medieval castles to lush greenery, as well as a thriving nightlife that's known across the globe. Some visitors and travelers may have difficulty figuring out where they should go in Dublin, but you don't have to worry since we have put up a list that will help you. KILMAINHAM is the first intriguing location on our list today. One of Dublin's most important historical sites, KILMAINHAM, was previously a jail that housed the leaders of the rebellion and the Irish Republicans. Dublin is one of the best places to get a sense of the country's current political and social climate. It's not too far from the city center, so getting there is not a problem. If you had like to learn more about the site's history, you may take a tour and then visit the Irish Museum of Modern Art, which is located nearby. Union 8 and Story Board, two local restaurants, provide excellent meals. Phoenix Park is second on the list. This park is not meant to be relaxing at all, yet there are so many things you may participate in here. It's also a great area to get a glimpse of some wildlife in the middle of a bustling metropolis. Visit this park if you're in the vicinity since it's a green oasis in the middle of the metropolis. Visit the park during the city's annual marathon and engage in physical activity. If you are not a fan of running, be sure to check out the herd of deer that call the park their home. George's Street Arcade, third on the list. One of the many areas in George's Street Arcade that will remind us of Ireland's vast history is the arcade itself. If you are looking for some unique shopping and dining, this is the place to go. Everything in the region has a distinct Irish taste, making it impossible to resist. Visit this neighborhood when hungry since it's home to many of the city's most incredible food vendors. If you're in the mood for something sweet, check out Lolly and Crooks or Designist, which have some of the city's most unique gifts, stationery, and home products. IVEAGH Gardens at number 4. IVEAGH Gardens is a secluded park only a few blocks from St. Stephen's Green that only locals know about. In addition to being a popular location for events like concerts and festivals, this garden also serves as a quiet retreat where you can just sit and unwind. If you grow weary of strolling about the city, bring a picnic and a book with you so you can unwind. On number 5 are the mountains of Dublin. The Dublin Mountains are a great place to go for a free walking trail. The Tibradan Woods, known locally as the Pine Forest, are included in this hike's itinerary. Contact the Dublin Mountains Partnership for more on their free guided hikes. This is an excellent pastime for families and lone visitors alike since there are a variety of treks to fit everyone's skill level. Don't be afraid to bombard the guides with questions, as they are eager to impart their vast knowledge of both the mountains and the city they live in. On number 6, the Cathedral of St. Patrick. St. Patrick's Cathedral has stood the test for almost 800 years and has seen the evolution of Irish culture, politics, and faith. The ultimate resting place of one of Dublin's most beloved sons, Jonathan Swift, who penned Gulliver's Travels, can be found here. Spend some time investigating this Dublin landmark with your camera or smartphone. Several historically significant and aesthetically pleasing aspects can be found both within and outside the building. The church is at number 7. You will understand why this is one of Dublin's most popular destinations after you have been there. This building, which was previously a church but was demolished in 1964, is now a bar and a nightclub. Many of the church's original characteristics still make it an excellent spot for a drink. If you're in town, be sure to see what's going on at this particular location. The Guinness Storehouse plant comes at number 8. Often referred to as the biggest pint in the world, the Guinness Storehouse facility is built to resemble a pint of Guinness. 7 stories of Irish brewing history fill the remainder of the structure, demonstrating the drink's widespread appeal throughout Ireland. You can have a lot of fun and learn a lot about the Guinness family and the history of the drink by purchasing a ticket and going on the tour. The Old Jameson Distillery is the 9th distillery on the list. The original Jameson Distillery was located here until the 1970s when it was shut down. When you visit this site, you'll learn a great deal about this renowned beverage. In addition, you will get a glimpse of a distinct part of Dublin's history and culture here. If you're interested in knowing more about how Jameson whiskey is made, you may take a tour of the distillery. Number 10. The Dublin Spire. This 120-meter tall spire is visible from a distance since it sits in the middle of O'Connell Street. It's made of stainless steel and has a diameter of 3 meters at the base and 15 cm at the summit. The spire was built in 1999 as part of an initiative to enhance O'Connell Street. It stands today. If you are planning on taking shots of the spire, bring your camera along and get as many as possible. This was all from my side to guide you about the 10 famous landmarks of Dublin, Ireland's capital city. Please subscribe and press the bell button if you're new to the channel, so you don't miss any new stuff. Comment below if this video was helpful or if you have any concerns regarding traveling ideas.